Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School Rewari. Our today's topic is chemical properties of acetic acid. In this topic, we study about the reaction of esterification. In esterification reaction, ester is formed. Ester are the chemical compounds having fruit-like smell, sweet smell. So in esterification reaction, carboxylic acid, which is acetic acid here, react with ethyl alcohol in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. So when we add 2 or 3 drops of concentrate sulfuric acid in the mixture of ethanoic acid and ethanol and heat it on a water bath, then a fruit-like smell starts to come. That means ester has formed. So here ethyl acetate is formed. It is an ester. Ester have a characteristic smell that is fruit-like smell. So if a compound from a compound a fruit-like smell comes, that is ester with the water. That's why it is called esterification reaction. If this ester is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid, aqueous sulfuric acid, then hydrolysis takes place. It is known as hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis is the reverse of esterification. Reverse of esterification means that in esterification reaction our reactants are ethanoic acid and ethyl alcohol and product is ester, ethyl acetate. So if we react the ethyl acetate with aqueous sulfuric acid, then we get back the concerned carboxylic acid and alcohol back. It is our ester, ethyl acetate, dilute sulfuric acid, aqueous sulfuric acid. Then the alcohol and the carboxylic acid we get back again. So we get back the ethanoic acid and ethyl alcohol again. That's why it is called the reverse of esterification reaction, because in hydrolysis the product of esterification reaction becomes the reactant and the reactant of esterification becomes the product. That's why it is called the reverse of esterification reaction. Students, if the produced ester react with caustic soda, here it is our ester. If it react with sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, then we get the sodium salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol. So here the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, sodium acetate produced with ethyl alcohol. Students, if the ester is here from long chain carboxylic acid, then here we get the sodium salt of long chain carboxylic acid, that is soap. So that this reaction is used to the formation of soap, in which the esters of long chain carboxylic acid reacted with sodium hydroxide. That's why it is called the saponification reaction. The reaction which is used to produce, which is used in the manufacturing of soap. Thank you and have a nice day.